Good day, traders from all over the world watching this video. This is Master B from McTrading Lounge with this market's recap. Today on the NQ 918, what I normally do is I set up my charts. I start with the higher time frame of the 60 or the hourly chart, and I look for start to look for my ceilings and my floors for the morning session. Let me start this over. So going into the US session, I'm usually on my terminal by 9 a.m. and I start prep working my hourly chart. So I saw at 9 a.m. we had a floor, and I identify the current weekly high. Okay. So going into the New York session, she comes down to the current weekly low and did not close above there. I immediately drop down to my smaller time frames and I start looking for supply and demand off of the 15-minute chart. Okay. Once I identify where is my supply zone of the 15-minute chart, I kind of like box that. And I saw that she was sitting on top of the hourly floor. Okay. So at this point, my bias is long because the hourly did not take out the current weekly low. So my bias was long going into the US session. So when she started to break this high, I initiated a buy trade, took it up to at least the swing, and my day was over. If you missed that trade, you had an impulse, okay? You had a correction that came back, and on this correction, we had a close above the demand zone. So at any point in here, you can have taken a buy trade, okay? You could have taken a buy trade off of your smaller time frames to get a tighter stop loss. So at this point, I'm dropping down to my 5-minute chart and I'm looking for my reversal pattern. So in this case, I had a double bottom. We had a double W. A W pattern off of support. Look for neckline break for conservative and aggressive trader. We in down here. Stop loss right below the low. That was a successful trade. Take her up to the swing. And your morning's done. Okay, this is a quick recap on market recap on the NQ, what I saw this morning and how I initiated my trade for this morning. This is Master B from the Trading Lounge in the lab. Have a safe and prosperous day. Peace. I'm out.